this is part 3. So the cookies just came out. They're golden, and these are Auntie's ones. So we finally found the tray. So that's it. So we're going to put all our cookies on there. Okay, let's choose a tool to use. So me decide. Let's use this one maybe. Yeah, we're going to use this one. Honey, what are you going to use? You can share it with us, okay?
Oh, is there another one?
So many tools to choose from. Hey, that one. That will be good.
Yeah.
Juicy? Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna take one off. Take you. Bit hot, bit. Oh, I'm just gonna put on the tray like that. Next one. Take this one off. I might just use my fingers, so you can use it just in case. So, I might use this one. I might just keep that there.
So that's what it looks like.
Okay, and this is another cookie of mine. Right there.
Yeah. This one she did.
Okay.
No, she did. This one.
Cookies.
It's hard to find.
Okay, look at the back of them. Let's see like that. So it looks like. Okay, this.
Is this what the cookies that look like? Pretty good.
Look at this one. That's so funny. Okay, this one. That's a bit soft, but that will be alright. Now, this one. This one.
This one. Heaps of cookies on the tray.
Paper off. And that. Now Jesse's going to do her ones. Okay. Just use your fingers.
Alright.
Can I help you?
Okay.
Okay.
So this cookie, go up there.
Lots of cookies.
Oh guys, look at this one.
I'll help you, Josie. Just take the paper off. I'll help you. Actually,
Okay,
you can do it. Okay, this is what it looks like. Really cool.
This one just got burnt, but it's got heaps of paper on it.
Yeah. Maybe we could leave that one out, maybe.
Then we'll just put that there. We can have that maybe after.
Oh. Maybe just try. Maybe just leave that one out. I'm not sure what has any feel ones. Okay, so we might just stop from here for my sister's ones.
Oh, the best.
Okay, now it's time to get a cookie and taste it. Okay, I'm gonna have this one. That is divine. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below. Please subscribe to us. And could you please give it a thumbs up? I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!